Hey crypto lovers, welcome back to Feixeions. Our channel is for all things about crypto earnings, minings and airdrop. Today we are diving into DAWN's airdrop protocol on Solana blockchain, a new project brand new blockchain with decentralized internet. You can run it on any device you have. According to its creator, DAWN is a decentralized wireless network for delivering internet service, letting neighbors buy and sell bandwidth locally. In other words, it turns home into mini ISP in peer-to-peer network. In this video, we will explain how DAWNs work, how you can join and earn points, and addressing the big question: is the rumor DAWN tokens airdrop real or just hype? We will break down the step with tips to boost your earnings and separate facts from fiction. All important links you can find in the Telegram post and description below. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel for real-time update. DAWN is built by Enrina, a company specializing in high-speed internet. It is designed to create a community on broadband network. Property owners install DAWN hardware or run a browser extension, then share access internet. No central ISP is needed. Instead, your home acts as its own provider. Official docs explain the protocol combine specialized hardware and blockchain software so people can buy and sell internet capacity in their neighborhood. The DAWN Validator extension already over 1.5 million users worldwide and a public testnet is live. In summary, DAWN's goal to make internet more affordable and decentralized. By pooling resources, neighbors can earn tokens for sharing coverage rather than paying big telecom bills. Getting started with DAWNs is straightforward. Follow this step to set up your account and node. First, visit this website, link in the description and Telegram post. Then create a new account and download DAWN's Validator extension from Chrome Store. After adding the extension, open it and log in. Then confirm your email via the link they sent you. Once registered, you can successfully access your personal dashboard, where you can track your connection status and contribution. Keep your browser open and connected to the internet. This will automatically start earning. You earn 1 point per minute, so more uptime equal more point. That's it. Once you have set up, DAWNs run quietly in your background. Just remember, it only counts when you are online and the extension is active. If you have more than one computer or browser, you could run multiple instances with different accounts to multiple points. In the extension, look for a section like Boost Reward. Here you will find many options to maximize your reward. For example, inviting friends and following DAWNs in social media. Completing this task can significantly increase your points. Share this code with friends who join DAWN. You will earn 20% of the points they made. The bonus works multiple levels. If your friends refer someone else, you get 10% of that person's point. If that person refers a third user, you get 5%. In fact, the project highlights referral as a powerful way to multiply your points. Each successful referral gives 3 taxable commission forever. Finally, is DAWN airdrop real or a scam? This airdrop is backed by serious support. As CryptoTime report that DAWN just raised 35.5 million funding at now. This indicates strong confidence in the project future. However, no official DAWN token has launched yet. The team has not announced any token sale or airdrop schedule. All current points are just internal reward system. In other words, this project could airdrop tokens later, but they haven't confirmed anything. Interestingly, airdrops.io label DAWN as airdrop confirmed on Solana network, so DAWN itself is real, but any promised token or airdrop is not guaranteed at this point. Always do your own research and don't invest or pay. That's everything. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe to Feixeions for more crypto related projects and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future updates. We will keep an eye on DAWN's progress and let you know as soon as any official airdrop news drop. Make sure to follow our Telegram channel and Discord for more updates on crypto airdrops, earnings and mining projects. In the meantime, keep earning those points and inviting friends. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy and keep supporting us. See you in the next video. Goodbye.